Chemical equations. When a magnesium ribbon is burnt in oxygen, it gets converted to magnesium oxide. This description of a chemical reaction in a sentence form is quite long. It can be written in a shorter form. The simplest way to do this is to write in the form of a word equation. The word equation for the above reaction would be magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. The substances that undergo chemical change in the reaction, that is, magnesium and oxygen, are the reactants. The new substance, magnesium oxide, formed during the reaction is the product. A word equation shows changes of reactants to products through an arrow placed between them. The reactants are written on the left-hand side, that is, LHS, with a plus sign between them. Similarly, products are written on the right-hand side, that is, RHS, with a plus sign between them. The arrowhead points towards the products and shows the direction of the reaction. Now let us learn about writing a chemical equation. Chemical equations can be made more concise and useful if we use chemical formulae instead of words. A chemical equation represents a chemical reaction. If you recall the formulae of magnesium, oxygen, and magnesium oxide, the above previous equation can be written as Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Count and compare the number of atoms of each element on the LHS and RHS of the arrow. Is the number of atoms on each element the same on both the sides? If not, then the equation is unbalanced because the mass is not the same on both sides of the equation. Such a chemical equation is a skeletal chemical equation for a reaction. This equation is a skeletal chemical equation for the burning of magnesium in air.